and you can see the size is very small. You can notice this is the size and of the GoPro. This is the GoPro size, and you can notice this GoPro is very small, and you can carry it very easily, and you can use it on any device. Let's talk about the video stabilization. Before I was using this gimbal, and actually I'm not very comfortable with the gimbal usage, and also GoPro 8 is known as a gimbal killer. Audio testing. This is GoPro 8 and it is quite windy, so you can I hope you listen the good sound. So see, this is the GoPro 8 audio testing, and it's windy here. Let's make a price comparison with the other vlogging cameras which is easily available in the market. Like, there is a new camera of Sony ZV-1 camera which is new in the market, and its Amazon price is $750, and the GoPro 8 is available in the $300. Let's talk about the GoPro accessories. There are plenty of GoPro accessories easily available in the market. Like, I have a Joby car mount. The three-way GoPro selfie stick. There is an option you can tighten up and you can use it as a selfie stick. Let me show you. Like, this is the selfie stick. Like, see, you can use it as a selfie stick. Let me show you some examples of linear mode and fisheye view, also known as super view. Now I'm testing super slow motion with the 240 frame per second in 1080p resolution. And there are plenty of other accessories you can buy, like a head mount or chest mount, and many other options you can purchase and you can use while shooting. Consider these options. The video quality, the audio and the stabilization, all things are very good, and you can create very good cinematic effects by using this camera.